Yeah. I just want to say that, it really irritates me that people would say that blondes are dumb. Okay? 'Cause we're not. We're, like, smart, just as smart as anyone else, alright? And it really makes me mad that they would say this. I find blonde a very mean and demeaning word. People lately at school have been calling me blonde, a dumb blonde, and it really offends me. Act like it doesn't, but it really does. Hurts my feelings. Okay? I go to school. I go to class every day. You're not a teacher. You don't know me. You don't know who's smart and who's not. Okay? You don't decide who's smart and who isn't. You're not a teacher. You don't know. God, I go to class every day. I pay attention. I write down notes and whatnot. Anyways, yeah, it just makes me super mad that people say that blondes are dumb, because some of the smartest people in the world are blonde, okay? Like Paris Hilton and Heidi Montag. They're super smart. They know. They're both blonde. What is so freaking different about blondes? We're smart. I don't get it. So, whatever. Fuck you. Blondes are smart. We know. Right? We're just as smart as anyone else. What's so different? I don't understand. I'm blonde. I have blonde hair. Doesn't mean I'm dumb. I'm just as smart as anyone else. Just as smart as any of you. So if you think I'm dumb, you tell me. 'Cause blondes are smart, okay? Just back off. Don't freaking be like that. Alright? Blonde power.